is anytime one of these date fields on the important dates is filled in, Sam is going to be doing something. How is it going to be doing something? Well, we're going to define what it's going to do. So a great example of this would be a birth date. We click on this birth date and we fill that out. And now we have a birth date in the system. What Sam is going to be able to do is then it's immediately going to start some actions that are going to occur. And all of these actions are predefined by us. And it is going to do something like, perhaps since this is an A contact, it's going to notify us a week before their birthday. It's going to say, hey, you've got this birthday coming up. It's a really good friend of yours who you work with. And you should go order some crumble cookies and send them to their office on their birthday. It's a week from now, so you got plenty of time. Or you should go pick up a card and handwrite a letter to them, put it in the mail so that they get it on their birthday. Things like that that create those world-class client experiences that we are talking about.